Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I brought you an incredible recipe for delicious lemon cupcake that you can easily make in just about 20 minutes. Let's start by looking at the ingredients. We need 100 gram of flour, 100 gram of sugar, 50 gram of butter, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of grated lemon zest, 50 ml of fresh milk, 15 ml of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. First take a bowl and add the 100 gram of flour, the 100 gram of sugar, 1 tablespoon of grated lemon zest and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix this well. Now to the same mixture add the butter, the egg, oil, milk, vanilla essence and the lemon juice. I'm going to beat this for about 1 minute on a low speed. Give it quick scrub down. And then beat it again for about 30 seconds. Now our cupcake batter is ready. We will now fill our cupcake liners about 3/4 full with this batter. Pop them into a preheat oven and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Take a cup and add half a cup of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of milk. Mix it until smooth. Pour this glaze over the warm cupcakes immediately after they come out of the oven. You can add a drop of your favorite food color into the remaining sugar mixture and use it as a small pretty decoration on top, just like this. This recipe is super easy to make. It takes only 20 minutes and they are absolutely delicious. Do try it out, and if you make them, please share a photo in comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I will see you again soon with a new recipe. Bye.